Hi everyone, it's Wygant from Sound Body Fitness, and I'm so excited to let you know that we are now carrying the infamous TRX, Total Body Suspension Training. The TRX was developed by a Navy SEAL so that he could train from anywhere with little space, little equipment, and still get an awesome butt-kicking workout. I'm here with Travis Doherty. Hi, and he is Sound Body's substitute personal trainer here for our classes, and he's going to take us through a workout at the gym with the TRX.
There are 300 exercises you can do with the TRX, and we'll take you through a sample of a couple of circuits.
Let's get started.
We're going to be doing the shoulder start, the chest press, and body weights.
Ready to start the circuit. 30 seconds on each leg, exhaling on the way up. Tuck the abs in. 5, 4, drive through, 2, 1, and switch. Up. It's an explosive movement, high caloric burn. Up. 6, 5, 4, 3. Quick 2, slow that last one. Good. Moving into the chest press, 30 seconds, down and up. Good. Five, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And row. The closer Travis gets to the base of the TRX, the harder it gets. Squeeze the shoulder blades together for 6, 5, 30 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job.
Next we're going to do the suspended lunge, the tuck, and the hamstring curl.
Good. He's driving up to the heel for 4. Abs engaged. 3, 2, and 1. Good. Exhale, crunch up. 6, 5, 4, drive those knees in. 3, 2, last one. Good. So he's going to keep the hips up. Pull the heels into the glutes and back out. 5, 4, 3, 2, last one. Alright, thanks Travis for the great workout. That was awesome. A lot of fun. Check out our blog, soundbodyfitness.com/blog. We'll be posting it on Facebook and our website. And we will have a full TRX workout. So click and purchase your TRX. Get started at home. Wrap it around a tree. Put it in a door gym. No excuses. Get fit and have fun.